Hi guys, it's Paul, and as you can see I am back in Japan and surrounded by skylines, which is the way it should be, yes. And so, well, this is the second part of our video series on the first R34 GT-R we will export to the US, yeah. And if you remember, last time we did some basic maintenance work on the car here at KIKAKU, and then we took it over to Midori Seibi Center in Yokohama to have some parts installed and also to do some other stuff. And well, Midori Seibi Center is finished with the car and they did a great job. So to go through the changes the car underwent. So as for parts installation, well, the car first of all got a brand new Nismo intercooler, very cool. It also got a Mainz Titanium Pro silent exhaust. What else? It got a Nismo carbon rear spoiler blade. Also staying in the rear, it got a Nismo carbon exhaust guard. It also got the Nismo towing hook, and then on the inside it's got a Nismo seat cover set, and then underneath it got a front floor reinforcement bar from, you guessed it, Nismo, yeah. But the truth is, Midori Seibi did not just install some parts on the car, no. They also adjusted its ECU and took it to the dyno, yeah. I mean, I'm not sure if you know this, but so Midori Seibi Center is like a tiny shop stowed away in one of Yokohama's narrow back streets. This is what actually the sign in front of the shop looks like, which is not all that, you know, epic. But the truth is they have some of the world's most top-notch equipment stowed away in that tiny shop, including one of the best dyno machines there is. Yeah, so definitely they really are the specialty shop for all things Skyline. And to just give you a short history lesson, I'm sure a lot of you know this, but Japanese car manufacturers have had a rule in place for a long time. It was called the Gentleman's Agreement. And so basically they agreed none of them will make cars that produce more than 280 horsepower. Yeah. So 280 was the max the cars could make, but this rule wasn't all that strictly followed, and we know of a bunch of cars that actually made more than that, including Skyline GT-Rs. So, well, some say that the Skyline GT-Rs made more around 300. But that is a rather vague expression. But now, after taking our customer's car to the dyno, we have the exact number for you. And just to be clear, the car has the Mainz exhaust on it and a couple of other things, but the engine, the turbo are in stock form, and it does not have any parts that would boost its performance in any way. So it's as close to stock as it gets. With that being said, this 25-year-old R34 Skyline GT-R, as we know, cars tend to lose a little horsepower over the years. So this 25-year-old car made 365 horsepower at the wheels. Yeah, 365. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good. That's amazing. for a car that was supposed to make 280, and some say it made more, around the 300s. 365, that's really an astonishing number. It just shows you how genuinely amazing the R34 GT-R is. Yeah, very cool, very cool. And we can take a look at some of the dyno footage here. Yeah, very nice sounds. Good. Yeah, that's it. Honestly, very, very nice. Good job. And yeah, Midori Seibi Center, thank you. So, for the next step, bodywork. We left the car at our body shop, and it will have some very cool body parts obviously installed, including some really hot aero parts, and we really look forward to it, to see the car complete after the bodywork's done. And yeah, well, in the meantime, let's have a look at how the car looks currently after leaving Midori Seibi. And yeah, this will be it for this week's video. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.